Hi all, good morning. This is Gautam, worker assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see about the topic of jigs and fixer. What is meant by jigs and what is meant by fixer? So let's see the topic followed by one like introduction, working principles and advantages, disadvantages, etc. So let's get into the topic. So first one is introduction of jigs and fixer. Let's see what is jigs. Jigs is nothing but it's a production device or generally work holding device to guide the material or to accurate holding the material, like holders with or without tool, guiding the tool with or without tool, setting arrangement. These are generally called jigs and fixers. So jig may be is called as a work holding device which is located and hold the component of a specific operation. It is also provided with tool guiding elements. They are usually light in the construction area and direct the tool to corresponding position of the workpiece. So it's a rarely direct the tool to the machine table because of it's necessary to move on the clamped on the machine table because of it's necessary move on the table to align the push in the jig with machine spindle. So jigs are used for drilling, reaming, tapping, counter boring operations, etc. So here fixer may be defined as a work holding device which only holds and position the workpiece. So this is the two difference between what is jigsaw, what is fixer. Fixer is a work holding device, guide and locate the component. The fixer is only hold the device itself and position the workpiece. That's the two difference between jigs and fixer. Function of jigs is nothing but to the industrial products produced may contain one or more holes. The significance of the hole by using a various place from one place to another place, etc. Size and finishing of holes in few such as a place like automobile engine, etc. So holes are produced in many ways such as drilling, boring, punching, and gas cutting, etc. The function of fixer is nothing but locating and climbing the operation are the two important activities to ensure the machining, welding, inspecting, assembling, and etc. So this is to locate and position the workpiece relative to the cutting tool and clamp the workpiece during the machining, welding, inspection, and assembly area. So these are here some advantages and disadvantages are there. So advantages of jigs and fixer is first one is to reduce the production time by eliminating and making out measuring and setting the job. First one. Second is to reduce the cost of production by eliminating the laying out of working and setup of tools. Then third one is it increase the machining accuracy as the work is rigidly fixed and located the tool is required. And it is minimize the machining time by increasing depth of cut, feed speed due to the better clamping rigidity of the job and cutting tool, etc. Here some basic elements of jigs and fixer is first one locating elements, then one clamping the elements, then final one is tool guiding and setting elements. So this is some major basic elements involved in this jigs and fixer. And for the principle of jigs and fixer is nothing but location, clamping, loading and unloading, stability and rigidity, clearance of chips, foolproof design, provision of tool guide, provision of indexing, weight, safety, coolant safety, economy. This is overall package of jigs and fixer principle. So first one is location. Location surface should be small as possible and the location must be done from the machined surface. Second one is sharp corner in the locating surface must be avoided. Locating pins should be easily accessible and visible to the operators. Then adjustable locators can be provided of rough surface. First one in location. Second one is clamping. Clamping should be always arranged directly above the point supporting the area. Then quick action clamp should be wearable possible. Then clamp should not cause deformation of workpiece. Position of clamp should provide by the best resistance to the cutting tool. Cutting force of the tool should act against the solid parts and jigs and fixer against. So finally I have compared some what is jigsaw and what is fixer in the way of you can understand. So first one is jigs. Jigs is to hold, locate the workpiece and also guide the tool. As same as fixer, fixer is it's hold and position the workpiece, that's it. In jigs are smaller size than lighter of construction. Fixer is usually massive and heavier construction. Jigs is semi-skilled worker can be operate, but fixer is operator necessary to compare to jig. Skilled operator needed. Like next one is jigs friction time and casting time are less. Fixer is a production time and cost time are more. Then followed by clamping with the table is often not necessary in jigs. In fixer, it is bottled rigidity on the machine table. So this is the overall package of jigs and fixer from starting to finishing point. Thank you.